Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June the 14th to June the 17th. So Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yon, no? At meron din po tayong ibang reading, no? That's Babaylan TV. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No, so simulan na natin. Leo, ang nakikita ko dito parang sa'yo nag-i-stay pa tayo. No, pero hindi ba nagbubulag-bulagan na lang nga ba tayo? Kasi nakakita na tayo ng red flags, writings on the walls, pero mas pinipili pa rin natin magstay. No, I'm not pushing you to para maghiwalay or hiwalayan si person. Pero what I am saying in here is baka merong mga signs, no, na nakikita tayo pero mas pinipili lang natin maging matigas ang ulo. Now, the universe has something to tell you to make a decision or probably do something, pero ayaw pa rin natin, no? We're trying to avoid things with the Judgment, the Six of Cups, and the King of Swords. So may katigasan talaga ang ulo din ni Leo. Well, anong magagawa natin? Leo is a Leo, no? Siguro nandito tayo sa part na sayang din naman yung mga memories na or even yung time, no, na I spent with the person. Tama nga naman. Especially if you have invested a lot of time, invested a lot of your energy, effort, time, money, no, emotion. I feel like with the Six of Cups, paano na lang, di ba? With the Judgment, the Stars, and the Page of Pentacles, so far nakakakita pa naman ako ng pag-asa. What I think that you need to do here is siguro magpa-miss tayo ng konti, no? Hindi yung parang palagi tayong anino na nandun na nakikita. I think that the message in here is they're not going to see your value kapag visible tayo palagi, no? With the Six of Cups, the Hermit, and the Page of Wands, what is this? I think that for some numbers of you, siguro meron ditong distance, yung separation. Yung iba siguro magkalayo, no? Either OFW, no? Either nakikita na lang or nakikita mo na lang siya through internet, either social media, what have you. Queen of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, chances are meron ditong gustong magtrabaho sa malayong lugar, medyo matatagalan itong distant or yung separation. But this is for earning money, no? So I'm seeing greener pastures in here, pero para kasing kung sino man yung gustong umalis, ayaw pang payagan for now. Hindi pa pwede. With the Ten of Wands, pero ang hirap na rin eh, di ba? Why not, are we going to spend times starving, di ba? Hindi rin naman kasi din um, ang pag-ibig ay puro tibok lang ng puso. No? Hindi natin yan practically speaking, hindi natin yan maibibili. No? So pagbilan po ng 1 kilong bigas, tapos ang bayad ko po, finger heart. No, wala pong ganon. Yung isa practical, yung isa emotional. With the Two of Pentacles and the Page of Cups, siguro may takot, no? Baka kasi pag umalis ka, iwan mo na ako. Pag umalis ka, may makita kang iba. This is actually normal for those people who's encountering either separation anxiety or fear of being left alone, or baka meron tong trauma, no, na maiwan. Whether they may be, probably this is a childhood trauma, na I came from a broken family, naiwan na ako, ayokong mangyari sa akin to. So that's actually valid, pero I'm not saying that that is also right, no? We can probably seek for what? Uh, Professional help when it comes to those anxieties. Nine of Pentacles and the Temperance. I feel like the happiness is gonna be here if this temporary separation is going to happen. The finances, um, I think na mas magiging fluid ang flow. Um, when it comes to maturity, no, I'm also seeing that maturity is going to happen once there's separations, going to happen for a little while. Even the communication in here, no, madami even sa career kasi with the stars, 'di ba? Career is also going to be to bloom, no? So maraming bagay tayong dapat i-consider lately. Pero then again, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang magdedesisyon. Pero ang gabay na ito ay sinasabi na um, hindi naman panghabang buhay ang separations na ito. No? So this is your reading for now, Leo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Kappa Leo, no? Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aquarius. Virgo is napaka-dominant, no? Pisces is also here. So this is your reading. So, Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel po. Meron din po tayong mga ibang readings na nasa kabilang channel din. Ano? So, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, don't forget, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no? Meron po dong link. All you have to do is either to click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. Follow nyo po yung instructions. Meron po dun 4 plus 1, so that's discounted price, no? And if you want to avail our private reading, no, nandun din po yan sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Leo.